y'all, this is Christie with Homes and Things by Christie. I'm out here at Custom Homes of Cordele, Georgia, getting ready to tour the SNOWCAP by Clayton Homes. It's just over 2,000 square feet. It's a 5-bedroom, 3-bath, and I can't wait to get into it. Let's go ahead and take a look. The SNOWCAP. It's by Clayton Homes. It's a 5-bedroom, 2-bath home. Absolutely gorgeous. It has the vinyl siding and the board and batten. Love the black trim. Just an absolute gorgeous home. This is the front exterior, and this is the back exterior. It has sliders, which is always a plus. Gorgeous. Those are the sliders. And again, that's the back exterior. And this is the front again. So let's take a look at this home, you guys. All right, the SNOWCAP. This is the living room. Gorgeous. The SNOWCAP by Clayton Homes. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Every house has a different look and a different feel. And I love it. I'm here for it. Nicely decorated. Love the light color, natural wood floors. Just gorgeous. Trying to give you a different angles of the room. Absolute gorgeous. That's the front door. We're gonna leave it open. You have your dining room here in front of the slider. So that's your dining room. Huge slider. And then this is the kitchen. Gorgeous. Sink is in the island. Nice size sink. You could probably fit 3 to 4 bar stools here, depending on the size of the bar stools. Gorgeous. Love the glass backsplash. This beautiful gray is so pretty. You've got white cabinets in this one, tall cabinets that go all the way to the ceiling. And over here around the refrigerator, you have nice pantry space, which is always a plus. The more space, the better. So that is your kitchen and your dining room that overlook the living room. Beautiful. You have a coffee bar area here, or a butler's pantry, or whatever you want to call it. Floating shelves, a window that open, and cabinets. That's all I need. Your back door is there. And then next to the back door, you have your laundry room. So that's your laundry room. These 2 doors are gonna be your hot water heater and your AC unit. But that's the back door next to the butler's pantry, next door to the kitchen. Now, when you come around this corner, past the back door, you are going to then go into the additional bedrooms. And you also have a bonus room here, which is nice. This would be my husband's man cave. He would absolutely love this. This is a nice size room. There are 2 connecting bedrooms, and it just opens to this side of the house. My husband would absolutely love this. This would be his man cave. Now right here, the first door to the right is a bedroom. It has 5 bedrooms and 3 baths in this home. Keep that in mind. So we're gonna see quite a few bedrooms. Really nice. And then you've got a standard closet in this room. Really nice. Standing in the closet. This is the bedroom. Gorgeous. Really nice. And then you also have another bedroom over there, but we're gonna go back in the hallway and see if it's bright enough. This is one of the bathrooms. You can't really see it. If I have a good picture from online, I'll post it. But you got a sink here, toilet, walk-in, tub and shower over there. And then this is another entry into that bonus room, family room, den, man cave, whatever you want to call it. And then through here is another bedroom and closet. So it has a standard closet here. And that is a bathroom. We're going to get to it through the hall, but this is the second bedroom. Going back to the hall, this is the third bedroom. Really nice. And then you have a standard closet there. So this is bedroom number 3. This is the third bedroom that we've seen. And then this is bedroom number 4. I believe this bedroom number 3 has probably been the smallest bedroom, but this is bedroom number 3. The closet is behind the door, standard closet. And then this is the Jack and Jill bathroom that joins the other room. So this bathroom has double sinks. You have the toilet and shower in there. It's pretty dark in here, so you can't really see. It's a tub and shower, but that is the other bedroom. So these 2 bedrooms share this bathroom, which is nice. And then the other 2 bedrooms will share this bathroom. So really nice. This is a long hall. Want to make sure we're clear. This is the area where the back door is. So when you come around the corner, you have a family room here with 2 connecting bedrooms. And then down this hall, you have 2 other bedrooms and a bathroom. This bedroom would share this bathroom with that bedroom. And then this bedroom shares a bathroom with the back bedroom. So that's the layout. Absolutely love this family room. It is gorgeous. I'm not trying to make these videos too long. If I'm going too fast for you, let me know. I'm just coming back to touring these homes, and I just want to make sure these videos are as efficient as possible and not super long. But whatever you like me to critique, let me know. Right here off the living room, you have the master bedroom, huge window. So this is the master. All of this stuff is stuff they'll take with the home to put it together. Through this door, you'll go into the master bath. When you come around the corner, you have double sinks and mirrors here. Love this. You have a space here. You could put a vanity over there. You could put seating. You could put shelving. You could do what you want. You've got a nice tub shower combo there. The toilet is on this side of this wall. And then you have a walk-in closet right there. It's really dark. But I'll also have the link to this home online, so you can see any pictures that you weren't able to see in the video. This is a nice 5-bedroom home. Again, this is the SNOWCAP. Model price is $149,000. It is under contract, but you can order this home and you can custom build this home to your liking. This particular model, you can't come out here tomorrow and see because it is under contract. Somebody is buying this home, but this home starts at $149,000. Beautiful, nice size, over 2,000 square feet. It's a 5-bedroom, 3-bath. If you've enjoyed this home, drop down in the description box and give Custom Homes of Cordele a call. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.